Hello everyone, today I'm going to be opening up what I believe is a fan club exclusive, a Japanese fan club exclusive. We can't get it here in the States at least. Anyway, I don't know when this was released or much else other than I found it on eBay and I was like, I want it. So I did get this from eBay, and it came from Japan. I already did a pre-opening, so this is the outer box. You can see there it says Pretty Guardians, so that's the fan club, and I took the tissue paper off of it. So this is the inner box. And so here's what it is. It's the Eternal Moon article jewelry box. So yeah. There's the slipcover, and then inside, very pretty. It's a lot like the makeup boxes. And then inside, I love this box. So there's the inside. It has Eternal Sailor Moon and Galaxia, and then the article. I'm not actually sure what to do with this box because it's so pretty and it has the special inside. I mean, I don't get rid of the boxes anyway, but I almost wish I could show it, like keep it on display. So here's the inside. It's pretty standard compact size, so I don't know, I guess the size of like a Proplica. It's open, and then inside is where you could actually store baubles, little jewelry pieces. Moon Eternal makeup. It's probably hard to see that, but there's the Eternal tier and stars and stuff. There's not too much that's made with this design, so I was intrigued enough to pick this up. I'm thinking I might keep it with my makeup, but put some of the jewelry pieces that I have in there. And ta-da! Very quick video, but that's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye!